Give me your feet.
Lasko Windstorm has the fan already by the Costco membership checkout area in my local Costco right there. You can see our local membership aisle. Yep. Executive, Gold Star, and Business member. This is where people get their Costco membership cards. And this one is Lasko Windstorm Pedestal fan. I'll be here with another video, guys, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. Please don't forget to link in the comments and turn on the notifications. And see you in my next video. Bye!